let's come to Devgarh. The first one, Gohira Dam. It was constructed in the year 1981. The dam is one of the biggest assets from the aspect of tourism and water resource project. Daragadi stream. The tourist spot is situated in the Tanisira village, which is a meeting point of three districts, namely Devgarh, Sundargarh and Angul. Pradhanpat waterfall. There is a small temple of Ma Pradhanpateshwari inside the waterfall. There is a big limestone adjacent to the waterfall. Kailash Palace. This resort for retreat of the royals was built by Raja Divyasankar Dev between the year Dhenkanal. One is Dhenkanal Palace. Nestled against the gradual slopes of the eastern Ghats, Dhenkanal Palace is the only fort cum palace in Odisha. Gajapati district. One is Gajapati Palace. The palace is one of the rich architectural and cultural heritage of India. Nowadays, the property is under the protection of Indian National Trust for Art and Cultural Heritage. Gandahati Waterfall. It is located on the Mahendra Tanaya River in the Gajapati district. In Ganjam district, one is Gopalpur Sea Beach. Melancholy and salubrious sea beach with blue waters and attractive backwater bed in the form of cracks and sleepy lagoon covered with canopies of lush green foliage. The remnants of a vanishing British-made port buildings speak the golden days of southern Odisha, from where ships were sailing to Rangoon. Then Taratarini Temple. The temple on the Kumari Hills at the bank of the river Rushikulya near Brahmapur city in Ganjam is worshipped as the best sign and manifestation of Adi Shakti. Tampara Lakes. It is one of the largest freshwater lakes in the state. The beautiful lake and the nearby Chilika Lagoon highlight the ecological diversity Odisha is blessed with. Next, Jagat Singhpur district. Paradip Port. It is a natural deep water port on the east coast of India. It is situated at the confluence of the Mahanadi River and the Bay of Bengal. The port is administered by the Paradip Port Trust, an autonomous corporation wholly owned by the Government of India. Next, Sarala Temple. It is one of the 8 most famous Saptasarn of Odisha. In Jajpur district, one is Biraja Temple. It is one of the ancient Hindu temples located in Jajpur. The main idol is Devi Durga, who is worshipped by the name Biraja. In Jharsuguda district, one is Koili Ghogar waterfall. It is in rivulet named Ahiraj, which originates from the Chuikanch forest. Inside the fall, there is a Shivalingam known as Maheshwarnath. Koili Ghogar has an annual fair on the occasion of Shivaratri. In Kalahandi district, one is Karlapat Wildlife Sanctuary. It covers 175 square kilometers. The forest consists of flora like sal, bija, asan, harira, amla, vahada and bamboo. Furli Jharan Falls is close to the Karlapat Wildlife Sanctuary. Then Asurgarh. It is an archaeological site in the Kalahandi district of Odisha. In Kandhamal district, one is Belghar Nature Camp. It is the place that is known for slopes and waterfalls. It is encompassed by transcending hillocks around. Next, Putudi Waterfall. One such spot in Odisha which is known for its scenic backgrounds. Next, Kendrapada district. One is Baldevji Temple. The present shrine of Siddha Baldevji was constructed during the Maratha rule in Odisha in 1761 AD of Ichhapur. It is believed that Khani Duran The Subedar of Odisha during the Mughal Emperor Aurangzeb demolished the temple in 1661 and built a mosque on the remains of the temple. Next, Bhitarkanika National Park. It was designated on 16th September 1998 and obtained the status of a Ramsar site on 19th August 2002. The area is also been designated as second Ramsar site of the state after the Chilika Lake. Next, Gahirmatha Sanctuary. It is a marine wildlife sanctuary located in Odisha and is a very popular tourist attraction of Odisha. It is the world's largest nesting beach for olive-red turtles. It extends from Dhamra river mouth in the north to Brahmani river mouth in the south. In Keonjhar district, one is San Ghagra waterfall. The famous waterfall with perennial stream adds to the natural beauty of this forest tract and attract large number of visitors throughout the year. Next, Bhimkund. It has a stunning, spectacular natural environment encircled with lush green forest. The majestic Vaitarini river provides two most beautiful and scary waterfalls called Sanakunda and Badukunda to the nature lovers. Next, Ma Tarini temple. Ma Tarini is worshipped in Ghatgaon along with some side gods. Famous festivals celebrated here are Chaitya Yatra, Patuwa Yatra, Ashadhi Parva, etc.